in a village called Engqusho. At home, I lived with umakazi and Uncle Mlungisi. They treated me like my parents, because she told me uba umamam wasweleka ndisemncinci and she had to be the one on khusela. Uncle Mlungisi was like my father. I remember those times. I was the tiny innocent Lulama when she would treat me just like umntanakhe. But things changed when I turned 18. I remember when umakazi sat me down and said, endikucelayo mntanam kokukuba usizalele umntana noMlungisi. By that time, I knew everything was about to change. I just said nothing. And I went on there. And when I came back, I remember Ngobab Suku. Uncle Mlungisi came into my room. He opened my legs and he raped me. I cried. And boom, umakazi stepped in. Mlungisi wenzani? He jumped and he went out. And by that time, umakazi couldn't know what she should do. She came to me, Mbali, right? But deep down, I knew uba bebevumelene.